Folks, 82 Kid here. The car's fully warmed up. Let's show you that vacuum leak. So you heard me start the car. Here's a can of brake parts cleaner I didn't have yesterday, brand new. Let's get right to it. Cylinders 5 and 6, let's go. And I'm not hearing it.